So this is the second part of the video, and please try to watch also the second part of the video, and you will love it, I'm telling you. So if you want to relocate in a best town, I'm giving you the option to watch this video, and it will be helpful. You understand? Yeah, this is a church here. Hello. It is a Catholic church, you can see it. Yeah, it's a Catholic church, and you don't have a problem. Yeah, you see, I hope you can see there is houses here also. If to rent a house also, it's not expensive, it's quite cheap, yeah, compared to the other major big cities. This place is so amazing. If you yourself, you can see everything is good and children are safe here. There is no problem here. The name of this city, the town is Rahden. Rahden, if you don't know, Rahden is Rahden. So this is how it is. If you want to buy some things and stuff, you know, this is how it is. You can buy something here, yeah. And they have a court also here. They have court here. This is the school, Grundschule. You see it? Yeah, that is the school over there. You can see they wrote it there, Grundschule. Yeah. So that's how it is. So please watch this video, share the video, let people. This is the rat house. When I say rat house, the town hall. Yeah, the town hall where the socials are working, you know, to also protect the town, and also in the people inside and the children and everything. This is it. Yes. Yeah, it is so amazing that I'm telling you, you will love it. So as I'm saying, this video will be in 12 and 10 minutes also. Yeah, please try to watch the video complete because it's very important. So this is the town hall. As you can see, this is the town hall, and it's very beautiful. Yes, you can see it. Yeah, it's the town hall. It's quite beautiful. Yeah. So let's go. It is very safe city, you know. It's very safe town, and you have no problems with some bad things. Also, you are very safe and it's quiet. There is a job here, job opportunities here, you know. Even though, you know, you can also work in the next town, the other town. It's all together, they're around. It's not far away from each other. And this is the court that I'm telling you. This is the court. Yeah, this is the court over there, and here is the town hall. You can see all this compound is the town hall. You can see it. That is called Rathaus in German. Yeah. So if you have a leg problem, this is where you can make your shoes and stuff, so you don't have a problem of, you know, being left out. And that is the court over there. As you can see, that is the court. So you can see the right Amt, I don't know, you can see the right Amtsgericht. Yeah, Amtsgericht. So that's it. I'm trying to show you a best place for you to live in Germany. Yes, show you a best place for you to live and work in Germany. There is a kindergarten too over here. We have like more than 10 kindergarten, or so, more than 10. I think it can reach up to 15 also. It's a lot of it. You see the kindergarten. That is the kindergarten. Yes. Yeah. And what is beautiful about this city too, they have planted trees everywhere. Trees everywhere, fresh air. There is a fresh air everywhere. You can see. Yeah, there is a fresh air everywhere. That's why I love this city. You see, this is the kindergarten. Yeah, this is the kindergarten for children. Yes, that's how it is. So taking you back, you know, it's too beautiful to live here. I have to tell you, I know the experience of this town. I've lived here for a very long time, and I can tell you it's very safe. It's very, very safe compared to the major city, the big cities. That is the school. You know, this is the school. They have children playing grounds and stuff. And on a normal day, like weekends like this, your kids can come outside and have some fun, you know. So this is it. That is the school over there, as you can see. That is the school over there. And here is the town hall. So I show you the front, and this is the inside, you know, the compound of the town hall. That is called the rat house. Yeah, this is how it is. As you can see, very beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. So as you are watching, please don't forget to leave your comment down below, and then tell me what you think about this beautiful city, and tell me if you know about, or if you are living here in this city or in this town. Yeah, you see, this is what they wrote there. That is the rat house. Yeah, I'm trying to make you understand fully about this town, so that you will enjoy it. Yeah, it is so amazing, yeah, to live here. You see, you can also apply job from here. Yeah, I hope you can see it, you know. I'm drawing everything closer so that you can view it as good as it is, you know. I want to give you, and watch the road also. The road system. The road system is very beautiful. You see, as you are watching the video, watch the road system. The road system is beautiful, and the buildings, you see, they don't have a long buildings, but I think the other city that I will take you in my next video to come, I will take you to Rahden City, and then you will love to live in that city. It's so beautiful. You see, you can find your suite here and everything here. You see that? You can find your suite to wear. There is a laundry here also. There is a laundry here. You can do your laundry here and stuff if you don't have time. Yes. If you are a Christian, this is church for you. Yeah. It's a beautiful Roman church. So yeah, I think so. I think it's a Roman church, but I don't know. But I think so. So that is how it is. And then I want to show you one thing. Here they give every Thursday a free food. Here in this city, they give free food every Thursday, and that free food is here. You can take a fresh food, like fresh vegetables, like tomatoes here in this place. You can take tomatoes and stuff. Yes. Hello. So you can see the church by yourself, and this is the bank also. We call it the Sparkasse. Yeah, it is so beautiful. You can see it. And there is an ice cream shop here in front of us, where you can buy your ice cream and eat, drink. Yeah, and eat. Yeah, of course it's eat. Yes. Yeah. There is an ice cream shop here where you can buy ice cream. That is it, there, far away where the people gather. You know, I'm trying to avoid videoing private people, you know, but I think it's to have fun. No, I'm doing my best to show you something, so please don't forget to share my video, please. It is very important, because there is a lot of people who want to relocate, you know, Germany. Please forgive me about the background noise, you know. And is a lawyer. If you want a lawyer or something, yes, I think it's here. So, and if you want to buy a food, you know, like you want to buy fast food, you can come here. You see, it's Berlin Donor, but here it's not Berlin. It's just the name of the place that, you know, the name of the fast food restaurant. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, I think it's Turkish. Yeah, it's a Turkish. So yeah. And then this place, yeah, if you want to buy jewelries and stuff, yeah, you can visit this place. You know, this area is so beautiful for that. You see, I hope you can see that. Yeah, and this is a bank also. This is a bank. We call it Volksbank if you want to open account and stuff. Yeah, and there is other bank far away there. You can see it. Yeah, Sparkasse. It's also a bank. Yeah, and also this is a insurance company. There is insurance company over there. Yeah, you see how the vibrant the city is. Yeah, it is quite beautiful. You see, and if you want to barb your hair or something for your children, this is a barbering shop also here. You know, so it is good to enjoy yourself. So as you can see, it is the most beautiful place. Yeah, it is very beautiful. You can see the road. Just watch the road system. This is how we African we supposed to do. Yes, this is how we supposed to do. You understand? Yeah, it's so quite beautiful as it is. You see how it look like, more beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. You can see everything. See the road. See the road work. See the road work. This is for ladies if you want to do your nails and stuff. If you want to do your nails, you just come here and fix it. Yes, it is so beautiful, I'm telling you the fact. Yeah, I keep on telling you the name of this town is called Rahden. So it's most beautiful place, you know. Yeah, and here every Wednesday they allow the old people who are living here in this town to make a market here in this place, you know, so that they can sell some things that they have at home, or some fruits, some, you know, meat and stuff. Every Wednesday it is for the old people. It is especially for them, you understand? Uh, so yes, how vibrant it is, you know. Yeah, understand. It also have a kino here. Yeah, the kino, the cinema. It has cinema here, and I'll also show you the cinema so that you don't have to be worried. It's a beautiful place. You can check it yourself. If it's beautiful, you will tell me. Please tell me on the comment, you know, so that, yeah, I want people to start, you know, moving here and then build their self, have peace of mind for their own self, you know. So let's share this video because it's more important for us. There is some people who don't like to live in a big city like Berlin, Dortmund, Bielefeld. I think Bielefeld also is quite not, you know, it's quite good and safe. Yeah, Berlin, Bielefeld, Hamburg, Frankfurt, Stuttgart, and so on. You understand? Some people are tired of living there because of I think it's not more safety for them. So living here in this town, it is more safe and good for you. For it's a good choice for you. So please just watch this video and see how good it is to live here. It is so beautiful. The town is beautiful and the people are so amazing. It is not just anything I'm telling you. This is the fact and the truth. So please make sure you come to live here and then work. There is a job everywhere. You can find job here, your own choice job to do here in this town. You understand? One love. See you again in the next video. Adios.